The world is your home, Lord, our heart is your home. A heart full of love, Lord, my heart is your home. We are the children, children of Sai. 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 Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Love all, serve all is your call. Love if you can, hurt no one in despair. For you are the Father and we are the children, children of Sai. 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 Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. You have come to guide us all. Sachidananda Avatara. Guide us all, lead us all. Guide us all, lead us all. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. We love you, Father, show us the way. Sachidananda Avatara. We love you, Mother, show us the way. We love you, Mother, show us the way. Avatara, Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai. We are the children, children of Sai. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Kali Yuga Deva Avatara. Sachidananda Avatara. Children of Sai. Sachidananda Avatara. We are the children, children of Sai.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्रयवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमण्यव उतोत इषवे नमः। नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः। यात इषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूवते धनुः। शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमृडया। याते रुद्रशिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी। तयानस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छावदामसे यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अहेगश्च सर्वाञ्जम्भयन् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेडयेमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीढुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्नियोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वप अवतत्यधनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुधे निशीर्य शल्याणां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्यं धनुः कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उत अनेशन्नस्येषव आभुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतुर्मीढुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणत्तु विश्वतः अथो य इषुधिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाञ्च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय व्याधिनेन्नानां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगतां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्थपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृताय औषधीनां पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्रीणां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवेताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय निव्याधिन आव्याधिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिण इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते स्तायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रुकाविभ्यो जिघागुंसद्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमोऽसिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरद्भ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नम इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिदधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्योऽश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविध्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगुंहतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथिभ्यो रथेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षद्भ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो धन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो मेढुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे चाजिराय च नमः शीघ्र्याय च शेभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय चावस्वन्याय च नमः स्रोतस्याय च द्वीप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय चापरजाय च नमो मध्यमाय चापगल्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय चावसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्ष्याय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरथाय च नमः शूराय चावबिन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूथिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिणे चेषुधिमते च नमस्तीक्ष्णेशवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पथ्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोद्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्र्याय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नम उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च दूरे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमस्तीर्थ्याय च कूल्याय च नमः पार्याय च वार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आतार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः शष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नम इरण्याय च प्रपथ्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च गृह्याय च नमस्तल्प्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्प्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमोपगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वः किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नम आनिर्हतेभ्यो नम आमीवत्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणामेषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चनाममत् या ते रुद्रशिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो मृडजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वेराय प्रभरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमसद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृधि क्षयद्वेराय नमसा विधेमते यच्छञ्च योश्च मनुरायजे पिता तदश्याम तव रुद्रः प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुतमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुतमान उक्षितम् मानो वधेः पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान्मानो रुद्रभामितो वधेर्हविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्ते गोघ्न उत पूरुषघ्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुम्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देव ब्रूह्यधा च न शर्म यच्छद्विबर्हाः तुहि श्रुतं गर्तसदंयुवानं मृगन्न भीममुपहक्तृमुग्रम् मृडाचरित्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणत्तु परित्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरघायोः अवस्थिरा मघवद्भ्यस्तनुष्वमेढ्वस्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढुष्टमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भवा परमे वृक्ष आयुधन् निधाय कृत्तिं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहे विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रधा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृधे सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्याम् तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे अस्मिन्महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवा शितिकण्ठा दिवगुं रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो विशिखासः कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिबतो जनान् ये पथां पथि रक्षय ऐलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रुकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागुं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्यां येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषभस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीर्दशोदीचीर्दशोर्ध्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयं द्विष्मो यश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नौ यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योमर्त्याय हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि यस्विषुः सुधन्वायो विश्वस्य क्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमोभिर्देवमसुरन्दुवस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवानयं मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शञ्च मे मयश्च मे प्रियञ्च मेऽनुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सौमनसश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सोश्च मे प्रसोश्च मे सीरं च मे लयश्च मरुतं च मे मृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे न मित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
प्रथमवन्दना गणनाथा प्रथमवन्दना गणनाथा गजवदना जय गणनाथा गजवदना जय गणनाथा प्रथमवन्दना गणनाथा विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विघ्नविनाशक प्रथम वंदना गणनाथा गजवदना जय गणनाथा प्रथम वंदना गणनाथा विद्यादायक बुद्धिप्रदायक विघ्न विनाशक विनायका सुरमुनि वंदित विनायका सुरमुनि वंदित विनायका प्रथम वंदना गणनाथा
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुरु सुधारि बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायकु फल चारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मुंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सम भाई सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावें हस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावें सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जम कुबेर दिगपाल जाते, कभी कोविद कही सके कहते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानू। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलधि लांघि गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपै, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपै। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेता, जयनाथ हृदय महडेरा।
पवन तनया संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
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 अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
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 बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा 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 बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
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 साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव।
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 भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता।
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता।
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता।
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता।
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
बोलो निरञ्जना विजयी भव
बोलो निरञ्जना विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
पवन कुमारा पावन वीरा
पवन कुमारा पावन वीरा
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
अञ्जनिपुत्रा वीराञ्जनेया
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
निरञ्जना विजयी भव
बोलो निरञ्जना विजयी भव
बोलो निरञ्जना विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
बोल बजरंग बली की बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम उसकी शोभा है विष्णु में उसकी शोभा है मोहन सी उसकी शोभा है विष्णु में उसकी शोभा है मोहन सी तुलसी ने जब शीश झुकाया धनुष बनी कान्हा की बंसी राम ही माया राम ही जाने कण कण में श्री राम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम लिपट लिपट के राम चरण में आंखों में गंगा जल भर ले लिपट लिपट के राम चरण में आंखों में गंगा जल भर ले श्री राम तो क्षमाशील हैं पापों को स्वीकार तू कर ले श्री राम के चरण कमल जैसे बैकुंठी धाम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम बोले बोले हनुमान बोलो भक्तों सिया राम बोल बोल तू राम रमैया जीवन फिर ना मिलेगा भैया। बोल बोल तू राम रमैया, जीवन फिर ना मिलेगा भैया। दुनिया तो भ्रम जाल है मूरख, राम ही पार लगाए नैया। राघव के चरणों में ही तू पाएगा विश्राम। बोले बोले हनुमान, बोलो भक्तों सिया राम। श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम। बोले बोले हनुमान, बोलो भक्तों सिया राम। श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम। बोले बोले हनुमान, बोलो भक्तों सिया राम। बोल बजरंग बली की, बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की। ओ बोले बोले हनुमान, बोलो भक्तों सिया राम। श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम। बोले बोले हनुमान, बोले भक्त सिया राम। श्री राम के चरणों में बनते बिगड़े काम। बोले बोले हनुमान, बोलो भक्तों सिया राम। बोल बजरंग बली की, बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की। बोल बजरंग बली की, बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की। बोल बजरंग बली की, बोल पवन पुत्र हनुमान की।
वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। 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 प्रभु मन बसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे। हे प्रभु मन बसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। 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 वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। सीताराम जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय सीताराम, राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। प्रभु मन बसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे। वीर हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। हनुमान अति बलवाना, राम नाम रसिया रे। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। 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 वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम नाम रसिया रे। हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम नाम रसिया रे। सीताराम जय सीताराम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। राम जय सीताराम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। सीताराम जय सीताराम 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 राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। जय सीताराम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम। हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम नाम रसिया रे। 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 प्रभु मन बसिया रे।
Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. Love is my form, truth is my breath, bliss is my food. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is my message. My life is my message, expansion is my life. My life is no reason for love, no reason for love, no birth, no death. No reason for love, no reason for love, no birth, no death. Love is my form, truth is my breath, peace is my food. Love is my God, truth is my breath, peace is my food.
श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तो सिंह भक्त तो कंठ विनायक सविता पावक तू
Tamasoma Satyamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amrutam Gamaya.
Om Shri Sai Ram. In order to remember Bhagavan's teachings continuously and to become worthy instruments of our Divine Master, every member has to engage in sadhana, a spiritual discipline which has to be merged with his or her day-to-day life, and every member is encouraged to make his or her family as a unit for such sadhana. Thus, with the view to qualify to become a true member of the organization, the following guidelines are to be followed. Number 1, daily meditation and prayer. Number 2, group devotional singing or prayer with family members once a week. Number 3, participation in Sai spiritual education by children of the family. Number 4, participation in community service work and other programs of the organization. Number 5, regular attendance at the center's devotional meetings. Number 6, regular study of Sri Satya Sai Baba literature. Number 7, the use of soft, loving speech with everyone. Number 8, not speaking ill of others, especially in their absence. And number 9, Narayana Seva. Practice placing a ceiling on desires. Consciously and continuously strive to eliminate the tendency to waste time, money, food, and energy, and utilize the savings for service to mankind. Jai Sai Ram.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Swami and a loving Sai Ram to all our brothers, sisters, respected elders, and children tuned in tonight. We pray that with Swami's grace, you and your families are healthy, happy, and peaceful. On the 17th of May 1968, at the first World Conference of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organizations in Mumbai, Swami delivered a discourse which clearly indicated the true nature of his reality and the purpose for which he had come. Swami said, "This is a human form in which every divine entity, every divine principle, that is to say, all the names and forms ascribed by man to God, are manifest. Do not allow doubt to distract you. If you only install in the altar of your heart steady faith in my divinity, you can win a vision of my reality. Instead, if you swing like the pendulum of a clock, one moment devotion, another moment disbelief, you can never succeed in comprehending the truth and win that bliss. You are very fortunate that you have a chance to experience the bliss of the vision of the Sarva Devata Swarupam, the form that is all forms of all the gods, now in this life itself. Let me draw your attention to another fact. On previous occasions, when God incarnated on earth, the bliss of recognizing Him in the incarnation was vouchsafed only after the physical embodiment had left the world, in spite of plenty of evidence of His grace. And the loyalty and devotion they commanded from men arose through fear and awe at their superhuman powers and skills, or at their imperial and penal authority. But ponder a moment on this Satya Sai manifestation. In this age of rampant materialism, aggressive disbelief and irreverence, what is it that brings it to the adoration of millions from all over the world? You will be convinced that the basic reason for this is the supra-worldly divinity in human form. Again, How fortunate you are that you can witness all the countries of the world paying homage to India. You can hear adoration of Satya Sai's name reverberating throughout the world, even while this body is existing, not at some future date, but when it is with you, before you. And again, you can witness very soon the restoration of the ancient and eternal religion, Sanatana Dharma, to its genuine and natural status. The righteousness, Dharma, laid down in the Vedas for the good of all peoples of the world. The revival of Vedic Dharma is the Sai Sankalpa, the resolve that Swami has, not only drawing people toward me, attracting them by manifestation of my Shakti and Samarthya capacity. This is not a Brahma Tattvam phenomenon of delusion. This phenomenon will sustain truth. It will uproot untruth, and in that victory, make all of you exult in ecstasy. This is the Sai Sankalpa. The announcements for this week are as follows. Gayatri Mantra chanting. We humbly ask all devotees to continue chanting the Gayatri Mantra 3 times a day, and if possible, let us all chant together at 7 p.m. 108 times. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra is one of the most potent forms of seva we can do, as it is selfless and will go to wherever it is needed, unbeknown to us. Veda chanting. Daily online Veda sessions continue at 6 p.m. in the evening. Please do take advantage of this amazing opportunity to learn these sacred texts. Prayers for healing. A WhatsApp group has been created to allow devotees to pray for those in need of healing or upliftment. If you have a family member, friend, or know of any person who needs prayer, please contact any of the national devotional coordinators to post the request on this group. Centenary celebrations. The Sri Satya Sai Global Council of South Africa is delighted to proceed with the planning for Swami's centenary celebrations in 2025. We are looking for devotees with expertise in various disciplines to take lead and sub-lead roles in the planning of this love offering. If you have the necessary skills and are interested in contributing to this special occasion, we welcome you to register on the Google form sent out with the national communications. Areas where assistance is required include seva, devotional programs, educational programs, EnviroCare, young adult and ladies programs, and finance. Sri Satya Sai Global Young Adult Conference 2024. It is with immense joy and bliss showered by our dearest Lord Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba that the global young adults undertake a spectacular opportunity to participate in the Sri Satya Sai Global Young Adult Conference, set to occur from the 12th till the 14th of July in the spiritual heart of the world, Prashanti Nilayam. The theme of the conference is Reconnect, Recharge, and Rejoice in Sai's Love. All young adults are lovingly encouraged to register and participate in this conference. The registration link has been sent out with the national communications. Please do reach out to any of the national young adult coordinators for further details. Medical Clinic, Phoenix Region. There will be a medical clinic hosted by the Phoenix region in KwaZulu-Natal on the 28th of April at 7:30 a.m. at the Phoenix Educare Center at 76 Allingham Road, Phoenix. Please do contact your center president for further information. Gauteng Sports Day. In commemoration of Mother Ishwaramma Day on the 6th of May, all Balvika students, parents, young adults and devotees based in Gauteng are lovingly invited to participate in a sports day on Sunday the 5th of May at the Midrand Primary School at 9 a.m. Please do register on the forms sent out with the national communications. Ladies Forum, Unlocking the Shakti through Educare. The Sri Sathya Sai Global Council Ladies Forum is excited to launch a series of workshops entitled Blossoming and Unlocking the Shakti through Educare. The goal of these workshops is to empower women by tapping into their inner strength. The first module will be hosted at the Newlands Sai Centre at number 8 Lowfield Grove, Earlsfield, Newlands West in KwaZulu-Natal from 9:30 to 12 in the morning. A registration link has been sent out with the national communications. This week, Tuesday, the 23rd of April, we celebrate the birth of the greatest devotee of the Lord who has ever walked this earth, Lord Hanuman. We also observe Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba's Aradhana Mahotsavam on Wednesday, the 24th of April, the day on which Swami left his physical body. Aradhana means worship or prayer, and Mahotsavam means grand festival. This day is a celebration of the life and teachings of Swami. Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba was an incarnation of love, and his love transcended all barriers of race, religion, nationality, faith, and culture. Swami's life, Swami's message, and Swami's humanitarian works can all be enshrined in one word: love. His life was his message, and his message was love. From his early childhood, he had shown by example that God is love, and the best way to love God is to love all and serve all. In this evening's video, we share some rare footage of Swami during a Kodaikanal trip in 2005, in which students accompanying Swami share how Swami's love was all-subsuming, infinite, and limitless. Bhagavan showed through his own life how love transcends the limitations of the mind, and how we too must start emulating Bhagavan in the little ways that we can. We pray that you have a safe and peaceful week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.
From I to we, all must proceed in every thought, word and deed. Beyond the boundaries of I, me and mine lies in united togetherness and experience divine. To serve with love to one and all, to reach out before the needy can even call, is worth every struggle and every strife. For in expansion lies life, my life. For in expansion lies life, my life.
The excitement that Swami has, as excited as we are to actually have Swami's darshan, that much excitement is there when Swami is actually preparing to go out for darshan. And then he would actually find out. So even while in the very first session, but about 6 o'clock, 6:30 when Swami comes out, he would ask some of the elders, have devotees come? And then they said, yes, Swami, we are all waiting. And then Swami says, Papam, they have been waiting for me since 5:30 in the morning. And Kodaikanal mornings can be really chilly. And Swami his heart would actually go out to all those people who were standing, weathering all that chillness just for a glimpse of his. And Swami, you could actually feel that, Swami was going through that, their pangs of separation. And then Swami said, chalo, let me go. So that was one thing that you could see how beautifully, he was connecting with the devotees who were all waiting for him. One other unique thing about Kodaikanal is you will see Swami becoming a child. Of course, he is always a child, the little Krishna that he is. But there will be this time when every year, we had only heard that these stuffed animals, will be brought, and so they were all lined up in front of Swami. And in a sense, just think about the whole scene. He is the one who has created every animal on this planet, and here he is seeing something that man has created, which is infinitely inferior to his own creation. And just the fact that the way he was looking at those stuffed animals, was a thing of joy for us. And so there was a time when he actually called all the little children who were there in our group, and he was telling them to pick and choose these, and so he was actually telling them which is what, and even they were also trying to tell Swami. What is it? What is it?
Deer. What are deers?
Turn the dog. And then there was this other time when, he distributed he just decided one fine day that all the children who had assembled in Kodaikanal would be all given chocolates. And so there was these huge chocolate boxes which were brought, and Swami kept giving in the darshan rounds to all the children. He was, it was almost like it was April, but Santa Claus had come to town. That's really heaven, when you can see Swami becoming a child. As he says, with the children I am a child, amongst men I am a man, amongst women I am a woman, and we could see that happening.
Bhagwan's love knows no boundaries. It is ever expanding. For always Swami has said, expansion is love and contraction is death. And so his ever-expanding love encompasses every individual that he touches. And we could see this during the Ishwaramba Day celebrations, where Swami ensured that right from the beginning, the food, the clothes, and every other aspect of the arrangement was very well taken care of. Swami ensured that it was not just the prasadam that went to them, it was his love, his ever-expanding love, which was the sole solace for which all of them had come there. In each of these interactions of Bhagwan with a devotee is he gives himself whenever he gives a token of his love.
బాగా జరిగింది స్వామి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్.
Probably biggest crowd in Kodaikanal. Crowd. మంచి crowd.
మంచి క్రౌడ్, మంచి
Service also. వాతావరణం బాగుంది.
రాత్రిపూట వర్షం వచ్చేది.
Morning very beautiful morning. Any perfect conditions.
All are happy, children.
All are. దివ్య దర్శనం సార్.
దివ్య దర్శనం.
ప్రపంచంలో ఇక్కడ ఎలాగా ఉండదు స్వామి ఇలాగా ఎక్కడ ఉండదు.
చాలా మాటలు sweet wind.
చల్ల గాలి.
Swami asked us to buy some things, some objects to take home as blessings and token of love to our parents. One thing that Swami told us is there will be these Tibetan salesmen who have just come because I came. Go to them and tell them that Swami has sent you. Don't bargain with them. They are selling with so much love because you are Swami's boys.
కొంచెం ఒక దూరం కొంచెం టిబెట్ వాళ్ళని చూసుకోండి. వాళ్ళు పాపం వాళ్ళు రోజు నుంచి వస్తారు. వాళ్ళకు ఖర్చు అయితే చాలా సంతోషిస్తారు. తెల్లని చూపిస్తారు.
స్వామి మాట చెప్తున్నారంటే ఇంకా
స్వామి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర కొన్ని
Another incident I remember during that time is we have pooled in some of the money and bought a clock for Swami. And then we were all afraid that Swami will scold us. So we made it very strategic, chose two people, right people who will show it to Swami.
దండిగా ఉంటున్నాయి మీకు ఇష్టం.
One of the things that we noticed during the visit to Kodaikanal, during the Sai Shruti sessions, was that while we got our shirts as gifts from Bhagwan, the lady devotees who had the blessing of accompanying Bhagwan for this particular visit were gifted with saris. But what many people would not know was that in the session prior to which the saris were gifted to the ladies, and when they were not there and only the boys were there with Bhagwan, Swami had asked for all the saris to be brought, and he personally selected which sari should be given to which lady devotee, keeping in mind the devotee's age, her stage in life, and of course her choices, which Bhagwan very well knew as the omniscient master. And Swami always selected the really best, the heavy saris. And then Swami mentioned to us, do you know boys why I am giving these heavy saris to the devotees? That is because since I am giving it to them, they will preserve it all their life as Bhagwan's gift. And when they are going to preserve it all their life and use it with so much of love as my token of love to them, shouldn't I be giving the best?
One thing that you can notice is whether it is the ladies, the VIP ladies who have come with in Swami's group, or whether it could be just the wife of a dhobi. For Swami, everybody was important, and Swami would show his gratitude to every one of them. I remember one of these saris, Swami specifically told, give it to that dhobi's wife. It was stunning for all of us because Swami was not the one who was using the dhobi services. It was we who were using the dhobi services, and we had very conveniently forgotten about the dhobi, but it was Swami who remembered. And I think that's the most beautiful thing that Swami taught us, that everybody is important because everybody is God's child. Expansion is his life.
शान्ति शान्तिः समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं बाबा विभूतिं परमं विचित्रं लीला विभूतिं परमार्थमिष्टार्थं मोक्षप्रदानं बाबा विभूतिं हृदयमाश्रयामि। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।